and for being under the influence while driving.
I'm not under the influence. I just passed all of your tests. I didn't. Yeah. I wasn't under the influence. And you fled the scene of an accident, or you caused major injury to a person.
Yeah, to a child, not a person. Not a child.
That's what it is.
Don Julio.
I didn't hit nobody.
We have cameras.
Can I see the cameras? Because I didn't hit
No,
nobody.
you're gonna get arrested, alright? That's point blank. You're good.
For what?
For DUI and for hitting somebody and fleeing the scene.
Under the influence, I just passed all the time.
You know what she told him though? She said, "Oh, we're a celebrity." That's what the fucking.
No, don't.
Don't go over there.
We're doing an investigation.
Or go over there. Yo.
You want to try? No.
You can go over there. Come over right now.
Yeah, that's Quavo, the Migos. Those are my boys. Love, I'm an artist.
I know, okay.
I'm a singer.
No, you're gonna... No what?
I'm a singer.
Okay.
I'm an R&B singer. You
Okay.
can't arrest me.
That doesn't mean anything. That doesn't mean anything. We don't
I
have
know
die.
if I would have hit somebody, I know somebody would be dead.
Okay.
Type, you know, nobody's dying.
Okay. But I'm just telling you, it's a very serious situation. You're laughing.
Ooh, dude.
He is lucky to be alive right now.
Yeah, so the witness said exactly what the witness said.
On May 30th, 2023, R&B singer Danileigh, aka Danielle Carell, was speeding in a Mercedes G-Wagon while being lit off that 1942. A teenager who was on a scooter who was attempting to cross the street was hit by Danileigh, who didn't even stop or slow down. She kept driving. The scooter was dragged along with the G-Wagon for several hundred yards, and the kid who was hit got hit to the ground. The kid suffered severe injuries. She was pulled over about 5 blocks later by Miami Beach police. The victim was rushed to the hospital. They suffered a kidney laceration and a spinal fracture. And this is what happened after Danileigh claims she didn't even know she hit somebody.
Did you hit a scooter? I don't think it's... Alright, do me a favor, step out.
Step out?
Yeah, open the car.
I'm in a baby.
I know, come on, get out. One more, take him out. Give me your stuff. Come on. Take everything out. Give me your wallet, give me your phone. Give me your phone. Come on. Step out. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Yeah, take her out. You're not arrested right now. I'm just trying to figure everything out, okay?
Love, I'm an artist.
I know, okay.
I'm a singer.
No, you're gonna... No what?
I'm a singer.
Okay.
I'm an R&B singer. You
Okay.
can't arrest me.
That doesn't mean anything. That doesn't mean anything. Go ahead, sit down.
Sit down?
Yeah, sit.
Sit down.
Oh my goodness.
What's up, boss? Wait, quick question, man.
Yes, sir.
You saw everything.
Everything.
You saw everything.
Everything. A to Z.
All right.
To now.
You saw her behind the wheel?
We saw her get out just now. I chased her there, the cop on the opposite side.
Yeah, you saw the car the whole time?
Absolutely. I said, so she was flying. And then she was worried because I was on the left. And she was, I said, look at this motherfucker. So they got money. I said, oh, watch. And I saw that moped come out.
Exactly what happened?
Exactly what happened. I saw her kept going.
And the scooter was
so at Espanola, no, it couldn't matter. She was.
No, I'm trying to find out, was your guys' light red or
No, we were green.
Okay.
We were green.
Okay.
She just kept going. There was somebody in the pedestrian crosswalk with the scooter crossing, and she just rocked and didn't stop or nothing.
On the crosswalk?
No, at the intersection of
Alright, I'm sorry. So you guys were coming north on Washington.
Excellent, yeah.
You guys' light was green.
Green.
But the guy with the scooter was crossing while the light was green?
Exactly. So maybe this is...
No, I understand, but we're just trying to figure out the actual story.
Yeah, that's fine. So at the same time, a bunch of people ran all the way up from 9th to Espanola and said, hey, you still got that guy's moped underneath your truck. The moped was still...
She started backing up and almost hit us to get out.
Right.
Yes, and we had to run
We
lights.
all, I don't care.
How you guys were doing it? Hit him there?
Right is right.
Guys, nothing happened. I don't know what they're talking about. I don't know what the fuck. I was literally going
What did you say?
Primary?